Welcome to my design, episode 17. Today, we present a 20x30 north-facing 2 BHK house plan with an estimation table. Let's start designing. This compact house includes entry and staircase, single entry, outside stairs. Living area, small yet functional. Common toilet, smart placement. Kitchen and O.T.S, good ventilation and lighting. Two compact bedrooms, essential space and ventilation. Here's the completed plan. Here is the final 2D floor plan. This design maximizes space efficiency while ensuring proper ventilation and comfort. Here's a detailed breakdown of the estimated cost for construction, including foundation, flooring, walls, plastering, and more. These costs are approximate and may vary based on location and material selection. For paid designs, see the description. For free plans, comment below. Looking for house plans under 5 locks or 10 locks? Check out our channel for more designs. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow for more updates.